What up, YouTube? We back with another video. So it's been a minute since I rode the Raptor, and a little update is last time I had it out, one of my bolts on the Nerf bars broke, so I'm waiting on that to come in the mail. So while that comes in, I thought I'd go ahead and change the oil on it. Chain's looking a little bit rusty, so I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance on that. But other than that, quad's straight. I'm about to warm it up so we can get the oil change going. Pretty sure that's warm enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and start changing the oil on it, which is pretty straightforward. As most of you know, all you do is just get the oil out of that, out of here. Oil filter's right there, and then you fill it back up. Alright, so all the oil's out. I already got the oil filter out. Now all we gotta do is just put the new filter in. We gotta lubricate the open end before we put that in. Lubricating the wrong one. Might as well get some on the back. That's the thing. Let's get the bolts. Alright, so I'm gonna finish tightening this up and then we'll get the oil in. So I already got all the oil in, everything's tightened up. About to start working on the chain. As you can see, this thing's pretty dry. I don't think I've lubed it once since I got it. Not that I put many hours on it. This thing probably has like 15 hours on it. But still, that's pretty bad. Sorry, I'm about to see what comes inside. Won't need that. Got the brush. This is a cleaner. And the other one's lube. Yep. So I'll get that going. Once I get it cleaned up, I'll let you guys see how it looks. And then we'll finish off, get it lubed. Alright, so I got that lubed up. As you can tell, there's a whole bunch right there. But big difference. Doesn't sound dry anymore. Y'all could hear it before. All smooth. So I'm about to start this thing up, let it warm up, let the oil run. If I can find my keys. Ah. Yep. Alright, so I'm about to start this up. And I'm about to put it up because I'm pretty sure the neighbors don't want to hear this right now. Neutron. Got all the maintenance done on the quad, so maybe next time we'll get some riding, we'll see. But that's the end of this video, so until next time, peace.